Look here now. Today I discuss magnetic field induction at the center of the circular arc. This is the circular arc now. This arc carrying a current I. Okay? Here Nana, look here. This arc makes an angle theta with center. Okay? Current carrying wire to produce the magnetic field. The question is magnetic field production at the center of the circular arc. The formula is mu naught I by 4 pi r into theta. This is the magnetic field induction at the center of the circular current carrying arc. Okay? For example, నీకు ఇచ్చిన arc quarter of the circle అనుకుంది. Quarter means 1/4 of the circle. Finally, theta value 90, full circle 360, quarter of the circle 90 degrees. Here substitute B equal to mu naught I by 8R. This formula is applicable. Current carrying arc is quarter of the circle. Next is semicircle. Semicircle theta value pi 180. Here B center equal to mu naught I by 4R. Because theta value substitute in pi cancel. Finally we get B equal to mu naught I by 4R. Semicircle completed. 3/4 of the circle. 3/4 of the circle means theta value 270. 270 write as 3 pi by 2. Here substitute B center equal to 3 pi by 2 substitute nana. Finally we get mu naught I by 8R into 3. For example, I take full circle. Full circle means theta value 360 degrees, that right 2 pi. Here substitute B equal to mu naught I by simply 2R. These all our formulas are very useful to solve the problems. This is the circular arc concept. Hold. Next concept nana, two coils are connected in series. Look here. Two coils are connected in series. Look here now. Here nana, this is the first coil. This is the second coil. Here two coils are connected in series with the battery. This is the concept. In the series, current flow continuously positive terminal of the battery to negative terminal of the battery. Simply in the series, current is constant. Okay? What is the question? Question is, this is the first coil. First current carrying coil. At center, the magnetic field is B1. Second coil. At center, magnetic field is B2. Find the ratio of magnetic field inductions of first coil and second coil at center. This is the question. Make magnetic field induction at the center of the circular coil formula. We know that B and mu naught Ni by 2r. According to this concept, I is constant because two coils are connected in series. Two constant, mu naught constant. Simply B directly proportional to N by R. Simply B1 by B2. What is the formula? Neatly write as N1 by N2 into R2 by R1. This formula is applicable. Two coils are connected in series. Two coils are connected in series. What is the formula? B1 by B2 equal to N1 by N2 into R2 by R1. Concept: two coils are connected in parallel. Very important. Look here. Okay, this is the first coil. Look here. This is the second coil. Both the coils are connected in parallel with battery. In the parallel combination, which will be constant? Voltage is constant. Look here. Voltage is constant. Okay. But here the question agenda is at the center of the first coil, magnetic field induction is B1. Center of the second coil, magnetic field induction is B2. Here also to determine B1 by B2. We know that magnetic field induction due to current carrying circular coil formula is mu naught Ni by 2r. What is the formula for B? Mu naught Ni by 2r. Okay. In the two coils are in parallel, which will be constant? Voltage is constant. Here nana radius denoted by r. Here, look here. Here, which is the concept name? Parallel combination. According to Ohm's law, I write as voltage by resistance, V by R. Here, we know that mu naught by 2R, N, voltage, resistance basic formula, rho L by A. Both the coils have made of same material, rho constant. Both the coils have same thickness, area constant. Okay, look here. Mu naught by 2R, N, V by L. L write as this is the wire. It will be converted into circle. Here length. This is called circumference. Circumference formula L formula 2 pi r. ఇది ఒక టర్న్ కి అలాంటి టర్న్స్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి n. ఓకే, వన్ టర్న్ కి 2 pi r, n టర్న్స్ కి 2 pi r n. n cancel. The combination is parallel combination. Voltage is constant. Mu naught is permeability of free space. It is also constant. 2 constant, pi constant, r into r square. Simply B inversely proportional to radius square. Okay. Here, what is the B1 by B2? B1 by B2 equal to R2 by R1 whole square. This is the formula for ratio of magnetic field induction at the center of the circular coils when both coils are connected in parallel. మరి అదే సిరీస్లో ఉంటే B1 by B2 ఫార్ములా గుర్తుందా? అప్పుడే చెప్పా B1 by B2 ఫార్ములా N1 by N2 into R2 by R1. Look here. Very important concept, concentric circular coils. Concentric circular coil means both the coils have common center. Look here. Concentric circular coil means both the coils have common center. Concentric circular coil means both the coils have common center. Okay. Here Nana, first coil carrying a current I1, second coil carrying a current I2. Here both the coils have common center but different planes. First coil produces a magnetic field B1. Second coil produces a magnetic field B2. Both are makes an angle theta. Simply two plane of the coils makes an angle theta. In the situation, what is the net magnetic field? Simply here, two vectors are there, angle is there. Resultant can be determined in the first year by using parallelogram law. What is the parallelogram law? R equal to under root, we know that P square, Q square, 2pq cos theta. Similarly, B net equal to under root, look here, B1 square, B2 square plus 2B1 B2 cos theta. This is the concept. What is the net magnetic field? Okay, due to concentric circular coils under root B1 square plus B2 square plus 2B1 B2 cos theta. Theta is angle between the planes of two circular coils. The planes of two circular coils. Okay? Here, this is the circular coil carrying a current I. Its radius capital R. At center, what is the magnetic field induction formula? Mu naught N I by 2R. Okay? To remembering that. Next coils. What is the net magnetic field induction? The formula is under root B1 square plus B2 square plus 2B1 B2 cos theta. This is the net magnetic field induction. In the situation, look here. All of you look here now. For example, two concentric coils are parallel. Another case, two concentric coils planes are perpendicular. The plane of the two coils are anti-parallel. Here none. Two planes have parallel. Simply theta value 0. Two concentric circular coil planes are perpendicular. Theta value 90. Two concentric circular coils are anti-parallel. Theta value 180. Okay? Here nana. Here theta 0. Here substitute cos 0 1. Finally we get B net equal to B1 plus B2. Look here, A square, B square, 2AB. A plus B whole square, square root cancel. Both the planes are perpendicular to each other. Theta value put 90 degrees, cos 90 0. Finally we write B1 square plus B2 square. Okay. Here theta value 180. Both the planes of the circular coil are anti-parallel. Here substitute. Finally B net equal to B1 difference B2. Difference right larger minus smaller. Larger magnetic field minus smaller magnetic field. Very important concept to see regularly. Dipole moment. Its other name magnetic moment. Magnetic dipole moment or magnetic moment denoted by capital M. Yesterday I give the formula for magnetic moment is NIA. Here I is the current, N is the number of turns, area A is the area of the circular coil. For example, charged particle moving circular path of radius R, its speed is V. Once again I repeat, charged particle moving the circular path, radius is R, charged particle speed is V. In the situation here number of turns is 1, no turns, okay. Here write I and A. Here M equal to I means charge flowing per unit time. Here time is right distance right as circumference by velocity. Once again, current definition, rate of flowing of charge, simply Q by T. Time definition, distance by velocity. Area right as pi r square. Here write capital R, radius. Here R cancel, pi cancel. What is the other formula for magnetic dipole moment? QVR by 2. Equation number 2 now. Okay. Next I discuss angular momentum. We know that angular momentum in the first year. Angular momentum denoted by capital L. Capital L formula is R into P. P write as mv. Simply angular momentum formula is mvr. Here the question is find the ratio of m by L. What is the m value from equation 2? Q V R by 2. What is the angular momentum formula for equation 3? mvr. VR cancel. Find the ratio of magnetic dipole moment by angular momentum is called as Q by 2m. What is the formula again? Magnetic moment by angular momentum is equal to Q by 2m. Very important formula. This is always applicable. A charged particle moving in the circular path. Each and every case this is applicable. What is the ratio of magnetic dipole moment by angular momentum formula? Q by 2m. Okay? Right. Hold. Bohr's magneton. What is the meaning of Bohr's magneton? Magnetic moment developed of the revolving electron. Magnetic moment developed revolving electron in the first orbit of hydrogen atom. In the first orbit of hydrogen atom. Look here. What is the Bohr magneton definition? Simply nothing but the magnetic moment of the revolving electron of a first orbit of hydrogen atom. Okay? We know that in the previous concept, magnetic moment formula in terms of speed, QVR by 2. In the situation, charge is nothing but the electron, so Q write E, EVR by 2. Equation number 1. Okay? Here Nana, we know that According to Bohr's postulations, Bohr's famous condition, that is quantization condition, MVR equal to NH by 2 pi. What is the Bohr's famous condition? MVR equal to NH by 2 pi. Okay, MVR is nothing but the angular momentum. Here, first orbit, n value taken 1. Okay, according to this equation, what is the VR value? H by 2 pi m. Here, the substitute VR value. Find magnetic moment. Magnetic dipole moment is E by 2. What is the VR value? H by 2 pi m. What is the magnetic dipole moment formula? EH by 4 pi m. Here, this magnetic dipole moment is called as Bohr's magneton. Bohr's magneton. What is the formula for Bohr's magneton in the final exam? EH by 4 pi m. For example, we know that this is electron. Charge of the electron value 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Planck's constant value 6.6 into 10 power minus 34. 4 into pi value 3.14. Mass of the electron 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. It will be calculated. Finally, we get 9.27 into 10 power minus 24 minus 24 ampere meter square. This is the Bohr magneton value, or magnetic dipole moment value of electron revolving in the first orbit of hydrogen atom. Look here. Complete this.